Returning the product of a list. Is there a more concise, efficient or simply Pythonic way to do the following? Edit. I actually find that this is marginally faster than using operator.mul. Gives me.
Without using Lambda. It is better and faster. With Python 2.7.5. In the following configuration. Results with Python 2.7.5. Result, np.prod is the fastest one. If you use np.array's data structure, 18x for small array, 250x for large array. With Python 3.3.2. Is Python 3 slower?
Starting Python 3.8, a prod function has been included to the math module in the standard library. Math.prod iterable, start equals 1. Which returns the product of a start value, default, 1, times an iterable of numbers. Note that if the iterable is empty, this will produce 1, or the start value if provided.
If you just have numbers in your list. Edit. As pointed out by atof99555, this does not work for large integer results, in which case it returns a result of type numpy.int64, while Ian Cleland's solution based on operator.mul and reduce works for large integer results because it returns long.
If you want the table, please consider subscribing.